Hi friends, welcome to Suja's fitness recipe. There is a quote: many people spend their health gaining wealth and then have to spend their wealth to regain their health. Yes, it's true. In today's hectic world, workplace related health issues have become very much common. Sitting for prolonged duration can result in poor blood circulation to our muscles and joints. Moreover, stressful deadlines, demanding workload, endless meetings can create a mental clutter and ends up in fatigue, tension, difficulty in sleeping, anxiety, or depression. Want to stay healthy, stress free, and pain free? Schedule at least 5 to 10 minutes break for your exercise at your workplace. Come, let's begin right now. Let's start with eye exercise. First, let's do eye rotation. Sit straight, face forward. Okay. Look up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. You can do this 5 times clockwise, then 5 times anti-clockwise. Next, eye exercises, blinking. Blink your eyes every 5 seconds. Don't blink faster. Okay, just to see. Like this, you have to blink for 2 minutes in 5 seconds gap. Don't do it faster. Next, let's see the neck exercise. Keep your hands face forward. Look up. Bend your neck down. Look up slowly. Bend your neck forward. Look up, down. You can do this 5 times. Now, right to left, left to right. Look to your right, then look to your left. Slowly, right, slowly, left. Do this for 5 times. Next, let's do the shoulder exercise. Hands on your side. Lift your shoulders up. Slowly bring down. Lift up. Slowly bring down. Up, down. You can do this 5 times. Next, shoulder rotation. In this posture, rotate your shoulder forward. Slowly, 5 times. Forward movement. 5 times. Backward movement. Next, let's do hand movement. Hand circles. Spread your hands, arms and circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same backward circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let's go for the hip exercise. Okay. Sit in the same posture. Keep your left hand on the chair and turn towards your left. And feel the hip movement. Slowly come back. Place your right hand on the chair and turn to your right. Stretch your hip. Slowly come back. Once again, left. Come back. Right. You can try this 5 times. The final exercise is for the legs. Okay, let's do now ankle rotation. Lift your right leg. Rotate your ankle clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same you can repeat in left leg. Next, let's do marching. Sit in the same posture. Okay. Lift your right knee, left knee. Keep marching in sitting posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finally, leg rotation. Come front on your chair. Stretch your right leg. Do circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat this on your left leg also. That's it. Along with this simple exercise, you must do deep breathing exercise whenever possible. That is, breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly. Whenever possible, please do this deep breathing exercise. Also, drink adequate amount of water, eat healthy food at your workplace and stay healthy. Thank you.